Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one because we have s, so I will put b over 4 go to the left. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. And now we can simplify like this. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 from here to here. And now we have u equals to b over 4. When s equals to b over 2, now we put b over 2 on here. And now we have u equals to 3b over 4. Number 0 we change by b over 4. b over 2 we change by 3b over 4. This one we change by u. S we change by u minus b over 4. ds we change by du. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine of a minus b equals to sine a cosine b minus cosine a sine b. Now, we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. Next, sine u divided by sine u, we have number 1. Cosine u over sine u, we keep the same. And now we have like this. The integration of this one, we have u. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of sine u multiplied by sine of b over 4. And now we put the bounds from b over 4 to 3b over 4. And now we have the final answer. Now we need to simplify this one. And we have b over number 2 with the square root of number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.